front of me is the DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this DOOGEE. First of all, you need to find Clock app and tap on it. Then choose Alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this plus icon. Now you can finally set up an hour and choose days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. When you're ready, click on the sweater next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and click on Label. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on OK. Then click on Snooze and pick how many minutes it will take. I will go with a lot. Then select OK to save your changes. Now tap on Alarm Sound over here and click on the best melody for you. I will go with Rooster Alarm. Now tap on OK. And you can also, if you wish to, click on Alarm Sounds, scroll all the way down instead and tap on Add Ringtone. Now select music from your smartphone by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner, then selecting one of those sources like Downloads, clicking on the song and tapping on OK. Then save your alarm by choosing Confirm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. If you want to turn it back on, tap on the same one. If you want to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it, select the Delete icon over here and just Confirm. If you want to adjust more alarm settings, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner and adjust all of them however you wish to, like for example alarm volume. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!